14 guns seized by the police during operation. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division continues to clamp down on illegal weapons with the seizure of 14 firearms and over 50 rounds of ammunition during an operation in the Kingston 10 area on Wednesday, May 28. The operation follows closely on the heels of another substantial seizure with the seizure of 238 illegal firearms on Tuesday, May 27. Reports are that at around 7:40 p.m., an intelligence-led operation by the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division personnel resulted in the seizure of 14 firearms, 2 rifles, and 12 handguns. One man was taken into custody, however, his identity is being withheld pending further investigations. In addition to the suspect in custody, the police is actively searching for another suspect, Julian McLeish, who evaded the police. He is urged to turn himself in immediately. This significant achievement underscores the commitment of their mandate to relentlessly pursuit of prohibited weapons and narcotics, regardless of where they are hidden. The police in a release said that anyone with information on the whereabouts of McLeish is being urged to contact them at 876-923-6184, the National Intelligence Bureau at 811, Crime Stop at 311 or the nearest police station. Persons are also encouraged to share information about suspicious activities and illegal guns. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.